Hi friends, this is Maria and welcome back to my channel, and we are actually here in Kota and we are looking at some boats. This one is, oh, that's only the motor. The boat itself is like, how much is this? I don't see the price, but they offer financing. And there's pontoon boats there too. You can probably see the prices there. This is 72K. I don't really know the specs, but it's cool.
This is 23. PS 15.
Yeah, smaller, which is nice.
I was trying to explain how they sit like this.
So I thought this is leather, but this is not leather. This is only vinyl and it's weatherproof. Yeah. What is this? Oh, just a compartment.
Yeah.
So this one you can sit at the back. You can sit at the front. And all these ones are just, you can change this with a different trolling machine. What, how do you call this? Trolling machine? Or trolling motor? Or you can choose a trolling motor that you like.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a learning experience. I know, I mean, seeing different kinds of motor, like this one is different too. And all the other.
Storage and all of this, you know.
Oh, how about this one? Look at this. This is a really big. Oh, and
Boat like that.
yeah, and look at the floor.
Yeah.
The
It's a removable. It's
You see that? It's
a pad.
yeah, it's a pad. That is for skiing if they want to drive. Oh, that other boat there is like that. See, you can close the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's 58 grand. We have that. Oh, look at this. So nice. This is a trolley motor.
The other
Wow.
one that I wanted to look at was 2 feet shorter than this, a little bit narrower,
But
and it has 2 things.
yeah, because
Consoles.
I don't like that it only has one
It has
console.
2.
And they have a spare tire there too at the bottom. Oh, everything comes with it, right? With the boat?
Yeah, for that much. Yeah, 50.
Yeah, 58K. I didn't realize it's not even leather. So what I like about this boat is that because it's deep
Yeah, but we can.
and it has more space there that you can move around,
Yeah, but
and you have extra chairs. Yeah, but you also have space here though. See? There's a space here and you're safe. It makes me feel safe. What is this boat? Oh my, this is very big.
Aluminum little dashboard, so this would be.
Okay, what's the difference between a bass boat?
Short.
Huh?
Short.
The other boats that are deep, what are they for?
Bigger deeper water.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm asking maybe silly questions here, but there are things that I don't know. Look at this pontoon boat here. It's 65,000 boat. Bentley. It's a Bentley. Yeah, can we have a like that in the boat? This. The cover. Okay. This one is also a nice boat. Climb up here. Wow. This is for just riding around, not fishing. Yeah, not fishing anyways. This is 30K and it's actually pretty. Okay. Seriously? 92K? Huh? Raptor. Like a Ford Raptor. So this is also for fishing? Oh. Aluminum.
But see, I like the.
This is gonna give us the sonar imaging for the boat. Find it there under the boat. There's another one on the bottom there too. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's there. That's this. Okay. And those are expensive. horsepower motor for a boat. This is 14 feet boat, and this is our 400 horsepower motor for a boat, for that boat. Are built in here, so that's only at the trailer. Okay, so it's easier for you to get. Yeah, because the other ones have like only like those.
Yeah.
The bigger the horsepower, the faster it goes. Okay, I didn't know that. It's like a motorcycle. The bigger the horsepower, the faster it goes.
Right.
Anyway friends, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to hit like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe and the bell button for my new uploads. Thank you and see you in my next videos.